So this case was part of a semester-long class project for the mineralogy students in fall of 2018. And they researched the geology of the Philadelphia area, did a huge literature review, read all the relevant papers, a lot of which are generated by alumni of Bryn Mawr or past faculty of Bryn Mawr. And then they went into the field and took specimens from key rock outcrops around Philadelphia, brought them back, cut them, polished them, made them into kind of display-worthy samples, turned them into thin sections that they then did an additional analysis on, and put together the narrative for the case of the story of Philadelphia, the geologic story. And then in addition to the rocks that they prepared themselves, we went through the collection and took out a bunch of specimens that were just beautiful examples of the minerals that you find in the Philadelphia area. So like here's a just giant chunk of garnet, just ridiculously big garnet. These kind of minerals you really only find if you're a professional mineral collector. Our students didn't sample these specimens, but we get access to them because of our collection being so extensive. So that's how we made this case at the culmination of a semester-long class project.